People think ASRT is just about CE credits. I get it. Keeping up with CE credits is a big deal, but here's the reality. CE credits are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's think bigger for a second. What if your ASRT membership could help you land a better paying job, build your professional network, protect your career from legislative threats, and even open doors to leadership and entrepreneurship? Now I got your interest, because it absolutely can. Stay tuned to this episode. Too many technologists sign up for ASRT just to meet their CE requirements and completely miss out on the resources that can actually elevate your careers to the next level. That's just a sneak peek. The full episode drops this Thursday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. See you then on A Couple of Rad Techs podcast.